The Caribbean region is prone to natural disasters. Jamaica and Haiti, among others, have had to deal with the impacts of such in recent years. Now, there is a close watch on the Mount Pelée volcano in Martinique. Romardo Lyons is in Martinique and now reports.
Home with a hazard in the backyard. The threat, a volcano with a last eruption in 1902, described as the worst volcanic disaster of the 20th century. It's the reality in St. Pierre, Martinique. I'm standing with Fabrice at a castle in the town. On the horizon, the Mount Pelée volcano remains active and is still a talking point 124 years later.
Everything has been organized to evacuate quickly if needed, because today that volcano is still active. There's some people are focusing on that volcano. Yeah.
So like government focuses on it as well?
Yeah, and everything has been organized to evacuate quickly if needed.
The 1902 eruption destroyed the town of St. Pierre, killing approximately 30,000 people in a matter of minutes. Now, a few volcano-tectonic earthquakes occur on Martinique every year, and the volcano is under continuous watch. So, if there are ever directives to evacuate, there will be no hesitation.
I think last time when it happened to Saint-Pierre, it was only in a small angle. It was not the full range of Saint-Pierre, so it was just one angle. So probably the government already told us to move as far as we could to leave Saint-Pierre, because, for example, the city just before, Carbet, was safe.
This museum was built in 1933 to commemorate the 1902 catastrophe. Inside, the walls are lined with the names of 7,000 victims. Also, relics from the tragedy have been transformed into art, a reminder for the people. This is the tour guide.
For me, it's very normal as knowing that a hurricane could happen every year. Every single year, we have a season where a hurricane could happen. So I have the same relationship with the volcano, is that we know it's here.
But while many would stay clear, some are pulled to it. Another Martinican, Veronica Costa, points to food production.
The land around the volcano is the most fertile land, so most of our agriculturists are living in this place. And I think today the population is pretty safe.
Even our rum tastes different from the rest of the island. So we're quite happy with what that volcano is giving us. So even it's scary in a way, but we enjoy also all the things around the volcano.
Yeah, when you say it gives you the rum, what do you mean?
I mean, the soil is, the richness of the soil is different. The minerality you get into the rum from that soil, it's different from the rest of the island.
The La Soufrière volcano in St. Vincent erupted explosively in April 2021, causing widespread ashfall and the evacuation of more than 20,000 people. The government has increased monitoring. But it's not just an issue for St. Vincent.
I think we are almost scared is when the volcano happened, it's mostly what happened with the sea. You know, the big waves can come up easily, the tsunami. So we're more focusing on that part as well when it's happened somewhere else.
Romardo Lyons, TVJ News.